Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play OSU, using only your keyboard. To begin, you'll need to assign two primary keys for hitting notes, often referred to as your tapping keys. These keys will register your clicks, mimicking a mouse button. Next, you'll configure additional keys to control your cursor's movement across the screen. This setup allows for complete gameplay without ever touching a mouse or tablet. For your tapping keys, many players find Z and X or C and V to be effective for alternating presses. These are typically located close to each other for quick transitions. To change these, head into OSU, S Options menu, then navigate to the Input section. Here, you can reassign your primary hit keys and set up your cursor movement keys. Don't be afraid to try various layouts to discover what feels most natural for your hands. Controlling the cursor with your keyboard is the most unique aspect of this playstyle. You'll assign 4 keys for directional movement: up, down, left, and right. This allows you to navigate the playfield. Achieving precise aim and smooth transitions between notes will take dedicated practice. Consider adjusting your cursor sensitivity within the game's settings to find a balance that allows for both speed and accuracy. Mastering OSU with only a keyboard demands consistent practice. Begin with easier beat maps to solidify your fundamental skills and gradually increase difficulty as you improve. Focus on rhythm, timing, and smooth cursor transitions. Remember, staying hydrated during long gaming sessions is important, so check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant progress in your keyboard-only gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.